what I would say to you, Jose, a little broken record. Once again, you got to kind of stretch your legs, stretch your feet when you're doing that. You're worried that a lot, so take that. And cheating, what you could use in this workout band, and like when you were doing your butterflies around in a circle like that, you actually contract it as opposed to release. Do you know what I mean? So you just have to get that sense of that. That is really good exercise.
People in the forward, what did you think?
Well, I mean, I think they did okay with it. It was aesthetically gorgeous to look at and beautiful to look at. But then when the technique aspect, comes in, the legs are like the flailing, and this goes for both of you actually. But the commitment, like you said, and the power and the focus is so there. It's like you were beating for this. Do you know what I mean? It was so that. I think also that we got to be kind of less space in it, and when there's space like that, you